Yeah, that's not what the paper said.
Boy, you guys been great. So sticky, hound doggy. Racers, will have your blood dripping hot. Fever. Bubba whistle dry. He said he wants to know the time.
We're just looking for chicken, that's all.
Oh, they never came back. Ow, my head hurts so bad.
On February 52. Somehow you win this round. Is there anything in the back, perhaps? But I really do believe we're being spied on.
Mary, yes. There are ghosts among us. One eye says yes, and one eye says no. I'm hungry, and I want Fritos.
It's quite captivating.
You're having me ruined.
Is that what we're doing now?
Oh, hi, yes. Yes, hello?
Unruptured propane tank. You want the real world? Give me a lemon. Oh, we're only good until midnight. The whole town smells like it.
They'll be here any minute. We better be careful.
We gotta stop eating that garbage.
Come on, put your hands up. It drives me crazy.
There's a bunch of lights.
That there, one of the Dexter Sputnik. Found some bodies back in the woods, no heads. Probably some goat suckers. At least that's where I get my wheat from. Yes, I'll be the last person you'll be hearing from. Yeah, I just finished it. You go on ahead. There's a range not too far from here. Shoot if we ever get to eat.
They're up in Daddy's barnyard.
Never heard nothing like that before, have it? You go on and get a load of these knuckleheads right here.
Breathe deep, Charlie. It's only for your own good.
Come 11 o'clock, we're releasing the coyotes. Yeah, my brother was just admitted.
Said it's about a hydraulic.
You come up here with the batter. If only they could hold their own. Yeah, that kid's about 3, 4, 5.
Oh yeah, things like that change colors.
I got him, Daddy. Right between the eyes. I got him.
Yeah, it's that rap music again.
As if your belly doesn't hurt, jackass. And they all got a forehead for getting in trouble. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
Sharp thread.
I said, where's my money? Oh.
Holding my head as we speak. Pick up your pants. I am literally getting radiated. 10-4. Roger that. We have background noises. Now I call every name under the sun. Let's get this bus right back on the road. Waffle? I'm afraid some people might get angry. You can't sit by us. I am just here for my health. And get to it. Breaking the sound barrier. The gentlemen, start your engine. Rat-tat-tat. Coagulated frontal lobe sternum. I got it on the AM radio. Now, I just want my tacos. You look kinda cross-eyed there. I'll be the one handing your ass back to you. And that's the latest. Now you go in there and show them what you got. Oh, I hate bitches like you. No, we wouldn't be able to fit it in here at all. It's that funny bone that ain't funny. Bread. Oh, I got your package, right. Now you better check your differentials. That was so light, nobody saw it. I'm tired of playing with your rat criminals. Can't talk, gotta go, can't talk. Boy, wipe that smirk off your face. Wow, that is clean water. And I just died here by the Sahara. Woke up in shock, I tell you. Just come and take a look. Oh yeah. 2 deep breaths for me.